Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on Jordan's Morning Crisp. This is, if you look here, they're wild about berries, non-GMO, all that stuff inside. If you guys want to read this nutrient panel, pause the video. So it does have 12 grams of sugar, and these are the ingredients. And French. There we go. So, let's do this is on sale, so let's do a quick, show you what it looks like. That is what it looks like right here. Take a look at that. You see how you got some freeze-dried berries here. This is a cranberry, I believe. Yep, it's sour, it's cranberry. The granola is nice and crunchy and sweet. It does have that sugar, just it is sweet on the taste, so just be aware of that. If you have any questions, comments, put them below, subscribe to the channel.